Morocco 2023. My lashes are done and it's officially the day we fly out. So good morning. I am just packing my stuff behind me. So these are all the liquids we got so far. Wow, on TikTok live. My eyes really hurting me right now. Obviously those things will be going into my handbag. My creams in these 2 containers, my concealers, 2 lip glosses, an edge control foundation, setting spray for sunscreen, shower gel, and my primer. Can't wait. I got this shower gel for Christmas and I've never used it, so we're going to use it on holiday. This is the Bayless and Harding shower gel. So it comes with hand lotion, body wash, hand cream. I can't really... Ooh, it smells good. Vanilla, nice. Okay, we're just gonna put it. Ooh, I just saw pigeon. Ah! Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh, there's a lot in there. No. There's still like a little bit left. It just smells so refreshing. It's now time to start putting labels on bottles. Also, I've got these 2 here. Would you believe me if I told you I haven't slept in 4 days? So I actually got these from Primark for a whopping cost of £1. Oh, this looks like... Wait. Anyway, is it all gonna fit? It all fits. Look at the container I just put it in. I need this... Oh my god! Hopefully this doesn't spill. I need to make sure you guys are seeing this. Morocco 2023, period. This is the finished look for maintenance week. Nails I did, toes I did, lashes I did. I really love my lashes, and if you do too, go to the Blink Lounge on Instagram so you can get them too. You know, because I'm actually so excited. Like, I look so good. Like, I always look good, but it's like, you know, when you actually took your time to look good. Finally on the train, guys. Going to Stansted. I'm so happy that basically my cousin got in on the train. Yeah, I'm using my little light, which I thought I had charged all night, cleaning it. I'm actually a chronic overpacker, but this time around, I think I did all right. Okay. I don't know if you guys can see that, but now it's charging. Because before, I'm not gonna lie, it wasn't showing the red light. So I'm actually using my T-Mac. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I'm using that tripod right now. I'm like, it's too good. Use what I just said. So we are at the airport. My cousin. I don't know if you guys can see our suitcases yet. Why are we putting that underneath the plane? I'm not really happy about that. I haven't been on many planes, so I didn't know this was standard procedure. If it was life and death, no. But you know, in the paddling pool, I could do little donkey paddles. I did swimming lessons in year 4. Year 4? But yes, year 4. Look at this stuff. We're not even going through it now. We're now going to be putting all of this into this because I don't know how this is gonna work. It ain't gonna work. No, don't say that. It has to work. That's just, we need to be smart in it. If anything, I will probably throw away my shower gel. Oh my glue. Thank you, darling.
I'm crying for you girls. I am. I'm crying all the price. Right.
And now I've mixed up the bag. Okay. We gonna make this work. We have to make it work. So guys, it worked. It fit. Or I don't know why you bring out a big tub of thing like. Good luck. It's gonna rip.
I'm smiling, but I'm scared of my makeup because it's not me that's gonna be paying for this makeup again. It's gonna be right there.
Okay, so you got it in. So this is what the bag is looking like, or if it fits. She has 3 and she thinks she's gonna get 3. Let's see. Never seen ever. So other day we got through to D3 and Gabri showed you like to tell the people how it didn't work.
It did work.
Right, and I stood there. But like,
you know what? They were just enemies of progress. That's right. So the lady there was a bully. That's my personal opinion. She was a bully. She was because I was black.
Right. Okay.
She was black as well, but not as black.
It is what it is. Do you know what I mean?
Did you bring your neck pillow?
Oh, I actually forgot. You know. You can have anybody, you gotta go. So we on board.
2 dark skin babes.
What is your? It wasn't me. I want to make it back home alive.
I'll come in now, yeah. Imagine when we come back.
Yeah, charcoal. Their plane is solid to the side, and it feels like a roller coaster. I don't like that feeling. Right now, scorching hot. We're up in the shuttle bus right now. I'm going to the hotel.
Why is there a towel on the floor?
To wipe the floor, maybe?
Let me comfort them.
How do we even open this? That's really embarrassing.
Hop in her, throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in. I can put you in. Hop in her, throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in.
Morocco day 1, we are going to dinner. I'm gonna insert what I'm gonna wear on screen. As you can see, I don't really need to wear makeup to dinner, but I might wear makeup later to take some pictures. We don't waste outfits around here. Guys, can you imagine the travel adapter? It doesn't fit, it doesn't work. It did work, I just put it in wrong. And my phone is dying. Only this would happen to me. It's just everywhere, fam. So we're getting pasta. I'm not even going to show our plates because our plates are very low vibrational, I'll be real. Yeah. No, I'm not even showing the plate. It's too embarrassing. I can't. We're at dinner now. I'm about to eat. The plate, as you can see, is very low vibrational. Like I said before. Don't judge me.
She's planning to take pictures.
It's a we situation.
I'm a video vixen, I don't take pictures.
Anyway, well, I will definitely be taking some pictures today. They have like a little like belly dancing show going on down there. Okay, we're walking into God knows what. I don't know what is down there. Oh, let's go here. Let's just go explore.
Hey y'all, so right now I've been in the same outfit for how long? I'm waiting for Frankie to hurry up. Get ready. She taking so damn long. I ain't got all day.
Literally not. Literally not.
Girl, I've been here sitting down. Tired. I want to shower.
So make sure you get me on Instagram right here. Period. Guys, I love these braids. So this is my makeup. Don't mind my eyes being red. I do have hay fever.
So it has made a difference.
I feel like it has made a bit of a difference. I'll admit. But it's just not my forte, you know. Before I used to hate blush, now I love it. So who knows, guys? This is the outfit. I'm gonna be wearing my white heels. Hi guys. I love this outfit. And of course, I took pictures today. You guys will see it. So again, hit me up on Instagram, period. I won't lie, the way I'm running out of storage is not a joke. Like, obviously I have both my phones here with me on this holiday, and it's like I'm going back and forth all because of storage. It is currently 5:36 on today's agenda. We're going quad backing. So these are my pajamas. Absolutely love them. I got them from Primark. Obviously I don't even know if they're meant to be pajamas or if you could wear it out. I like it as an outfit. Like, I would actually go out like this, exactly like this, because it's cute. Obviously my necklace goes everywhere I go. If you don't know, get to know. I want to post something with like a Barbie's dream, Barbie world caption. So I really like this one. I like this, like so cute. I probably won't ever post them, but we'll see. I am in two minds right now about whether or not I should take this makeup off. But it's like, it looks so good and I haven't gotten enough pictures in it. Like, I took some selfies, but I don't know. We're gonna casually appreciate this makeup, this beat face, because I have to wipe it all off. Guys, I took so many pictures by the pool. I'm gonna try and insert some on screen. But yeah, like I say, get on my Instagram, y'all. Like, I'll be posting like every other day. Like, you see me, yeah? When I say I don't sleep, I mean that with my whole chest. People think I'm being like trying to be cute and funny and relatable for shits and giggles. Like, I'm dead serious. I don't ever sleep. As you can see, it's 5. I guess he was sleeping. Miss Madam over here. Go take this beautiful big bath and do it again in the next 3 hours. We're at breakfast now, and we're going to record back in after this. But they're coming really early. They're meant to come at 9, but they're coming at 8:55 now, so we have 2.5 seconds to do. So we've got a couple minutes to hurry the hell up and get downstairs. I actually didn't get a chance to show you guys the balcony because of my nails. It's kind of hard to open this thing. Oh my god. So yeah, this is our balcony. It's quite warm out here. And this is the view from our balcony. Beautiful. So I'm just tying up my jumpsuit. This is my OOTD update. But yeah, my skin looks so dry. Like, obviously, I have dry skin anyway. I have eczema if you guys didn't know. But that sunscreen really stripped my good oils out of my skin. So, just put on some makeup. I'm going to see our tour guide who's going to take us quarterbacking. I'm loving today's makeup and today's outfit. Guys, I'm really scared if I break my ankle. This is kind of cute. It's given rich aunt. It's given good dinner lady. Yum. Period. Yum. Given astronaut. Oh, thank you. Ooh, this is cute. Okay. Now that's what we're talking about. I think I might have to put my phone here and get on mom, but I'm not. Like, I can't even see what I'm looking at now. Maybe you guys can see me, but I can't see y'all. And these glasses are hurting my eyelashes. But yeah. How you feeling? You're saying I'm scared. Well, I can't see my phone. That's I think it's so that good. You know, like the sand and stuff that people go in my eye.
I know be OG, but if you ask them know me. I know they blow trees, only know me low. Music chose me, just know this and know peace. I get lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feel me slowly. Love you seen the way to me live. I do the world I've seen her. Yeah, nobody will be over. Not the Lord that they go far. Who's the gold with the leper? That's all they do, Shita. And then I
Guys, look at my makeup. I can't even see the screen, let alone. Oh, my poor lashes. My head is hurting. This is the aftermath. I don't know what to say. We are back. Just had a shower and hit the pool. So they cleaned our room while we were gone, as you can see. Bathroom is nice and spanking clean. Mirror. Like, they even designed the bed again for us. How cute. too hot. We're going to the pool, and after the pool, we're going to town. We're going to actually explore Marrakech properly. Then after we go to town to explore, we're coming back, and then we're in the club, period. Oh, okay, thank you very much. Thank you. We're about to go swim. Yeah, she said she can swim without a float. I don't know about all of that, but I'm proud to use my float, because at the end of the day, after seeing them submarine people, rest in peace.
Before anyone comes to me, I know that we're going to die regardless, but my point is, I can't swim in open water, like in the ocean or in the sea. Like in a paddling pool, in a swimming pool, at a Lido is calm, but tell me to swim in the ocean, there's absolutely no chance I'm doing that.
I ain't trying to die, and I'm taking swimming very seriously. I got my float. Nah, either way, swimming was never going to be a problem, because they were already...
die regardless.
Yeah, no, that's what I'm saying. But regardless of that, though, it made me realise that, you know, I need to take swimming seriously. Their story made me realise... You're going to take time to swim really bad. The things I can in it, because you know I've got swimming lessons in year 4. But
Year 4?
my friend, shh.
You're 21.
Okay, and so I can swim. It's just life and death. It is what it is.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know you taste this a little bit. High maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. I told you that a flower bloomed in the dark room. What you trusted, I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you. When you're in the mood for empathy, it's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and him. I really wanna know you all.
Absolutely love this. So cute. In our rich auntie vibes ever. Going to dinner. My hay fever is attacking me right now. I don't understand why, but whatevs. I just love how like outside of this hotel it's just so like just so, you know, just so, don't have to explain it, but that's the only word I can use right now. It's just so but yeah, this is actually where we're going to eat.
I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Gabby, all of the bodies is pretty. Damn, all of the bodies is bad.
We are testing out Moroccan McDonald's and I'm quite excited. I got something called the royal cheese something, and I got steakhouse fries. So we are back from McDonald's. Our drink, I don't remember what drink I got. It's something orange though. Get the fries out. Got royal cheese fries here.
Like their burgers look like the actual picture. Like you see the shine? Wow. This is all halal, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is it?
I'm assuming. It has to be.
Then we've got some ketchup, some barbecue, mustard.
They don't care about the turtles because it's plastic. Obviously turtles are nice and that.
No, but they care about the turtles low key because they've made it smaller though. The paper straws be irritating. After my paper straw has gone soggy, I don't want to drink my drink no more.
This is great. It's sweet. Open the onions. You see all the meat in there. Yeah. Oh, piss off, mate.
Tastes like fruit juice.
This this feels like proper meat. Like this feels like good meat.
Like yeah, it was delicious. Like
Very filling.
in the UK, I have to get 2 of these.
I don't know if this is spring because it's all in French, but whatever type of water it is, it's great. Like it just feels pure, and I feel like people that really drink water will know what I'm talking about.
Like the UK water tastes like it's got chemicals in it.
It's because
like
from
bottled
River
water.
Thames. We're drinking the River Thames water, and all our bodily fluid that goes into that water.
No, like they put a lot of toxins in it, like chemicals.
That's why people that drink
to
tap
make
water
it clean
in the UK.
No, but I like
sideways.
I like
why are you
tap water.
drinking
Me,
that?
my personal opinion, I like tap water. All you've got to do is let the water run just a little
if it's
bit.
filtered, cool, but straight from the tap,
I can't be
feel
honest.
like,
Who has the time to filter?
no,
things?
because
you know how
there's a thing is
expensive to
there's
filter.
hard water. You know, there's certain places, certain areas will have hard water.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease.
So today we are at a waterfall. I don't want to butcher the name, but I'm going to say the name here on the screen. So we're basically hiking to different levels of the waterfall. As you can see, this is like the first level. The view is absolutely stunning from down here. You can see quite far. As you can see in the corner over there, there's like another group of people that are also hiking. There's loads of people here surrounding me, and we're all in little groups, by the way.
She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Listen, you've been missing since 2016. Squid tell me 150. You know that's my sis, and when she speak I listen. She swears you're my missus. I say we think different. I see by your heart I see. Come baby, come try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Too many twists and turns, yeah. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, call me eye to fry, I get burned. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the tight and heat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, but yeah, she just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease.
The waterfall and the food that we
You know what you want and need. Bend over, hug up and squeeze. You used to say you didn't know love.
Good morning. We are going to go to the snack bar today. We always have breakfast inside. We wouldn't eat outside today and do something different. Should have got my sunglasses, but a Tom Collins, which has gin. We are at the snack bar today, ordering food. I got a beef burger and chips. It's like really hot right now. These are the drinks I got. I got a Blue Lagoon, tequila sunrise, and Blue Collins or something like that. I can't remember. The birds flying around and it's actually kind of scary. You can probably hear them in the background chatting. Later today we're gonna go to the beach and then we're gonna go to the club. We didn't go to the beach in the end, but we did go to the club.